Good evening, folks. We're live at 9:31, as you can see here, getting ready to turn to 9:32, and we're running the final mini for Brian's Han Carbonite and Taun. I got 40 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our top two in spots into May. 40 entries, all in a row here. I'm going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get at least a 5 to play. We got a 12, so we could not be more ready to go. Good luck, everybody. My dog freaks out. Good luck. Ryan takes round 1 with number 40. Greg takes round 2 and round 3. Steve, round 4. Ryan, 5. Steve again on top in round 6 with number 29. Steve takes round 7. Mike round 8. Greg again on top in round 9 with number 26. And round 10 with 24. Greg takes the next to last 3 rows there. Or rounds this time with number 16 as we enter the ever important final round. Good luck, everyone. As we get down to business. Here we go. Our winners are Mark and Mike. Congratulations, guys. We'll make it official here. There we can see our full list. SHBXDM is our verification. There's our official results. Mark at number 3 and Mike at number 2 are our winners. Meaning, now that we've sorted that out, I am done at 9:33 p.m. Eastern Time. There it is, 9:33. One last time, here's our victors. Congratulations, guys. See you next time. Thanks.